So here's a video on how to attach the 2.1mm power connector to your Siamese cable. First, what you want to do is kind of break it apart like so. And you cut it. You got your two wires in there. So you want to strip out those two wires a little bit. Use a wire stripper there. Then you got your plus and your minus on this side. And then you got your 2.1mm power connector. Now you'll probably want to, because the cable's really kind of long, you probably want to cut it a little shorter. So you cut it like so. And you want to cut down the middle. Split this apart. Now this here, the red should be your positive. The one with the stripe should be your negative. And then you'll just go and strip that off, like so, and strip this, and like so, and then just kind of twist the wires together, and then you get the negative with the negative. You want to twist that like so, and you get the positives together, and twist those like so. Now once you get that twist together, I mean, I just use like electrical tape because it's waterproof. You just get like a couple pieces. You also can use like wire ties if you want. And then just go in there, put some tape on there, and then do the other one. And once you got those taped together like so, if you want, you can just go and get one more piece of tape. And tape it all the way around. And there you go. Now the connector is on the Siamese cable, and you can go ahead and just plug that into your camera. And then there's another video that shows you how to attach the B and C connectors if you need trouble putting B and C connectors on it.